I don't like to peel the little tiny itsy bitsy garlic cloves. So what am I going to do with them? Hey, make some garlic oil. Why not? Make other kind of oils with herbs. So that's about a half a cup of all the scraps and the little end pieces that are attached to the stem that have flavor that you don't want to throw out. And then we'll just put in 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. And this way I stopped buying the peeled garlic cloves, which cost a lot more money than if you do them yourself. I go, why be so lazy? So I peel all of these. Now we're going to simmer this for about 15 minutes and see what we get. I have that on the lowest, the smallest burner on the lowest flame, and you see it's bubbling slightly. So I'm going to let that go. When it reached this point, I'm going to let it go for another 10 minutes and then taste it. I just tasted that. It is so strong. That is fantastic. I love that. What are you going to use the oil for? Garlic oil. Well, I'm going to leave this like that. Let it really steep in there. No flame for about another half hour. Then I'm going to pour it through this chinois. Anyway, let's say you're making a garlic dressing. So now you have the oil. You want to saute maybe a piece of chicken and you don't have any garlic in the house and you don't want to use garlic powder, use the oil. Wherever you put garlic and oil together, it'll work. I hope this just gave you another idea of how to utilize those little garlic cloves that are a pain in the ass to peel.